Welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria, Kitchen Gadgets Review. Today, we're diving into 3 amazing products that promise to make your meal prep easier and more efficient. Listen, I have experimented with a variety of kitchen gadgets, and let me tell you, having the right tools can mean the difference between a flawless service and a complete disaster. So put on your aprons, grab your chef's knives, and let's see if these gadgets are up to the challenge. Right, first up, we've got the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender. This little beast packs a punch. It's got a powerful motor that can crush ice and frozen fruit in seconds. Perfect for those morning smoothies when you're short on time. And the best part, it's portable. Take it with you to the gym, the office, or even on a hike. Just blend, detach, and you're good to go. No more excuses for unhealthy drinks on the go. Cleaning is a breeze too. It is dishwasher safe, or just add some water and a drop of soap, blend it up and give it a quick rinse. Done. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, the battery life could be better. You'll only get a few blends out of a single charge. And it's a single serving blender, so don't expect to be making smoothies for the whole family with this one. But if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make healthy drinks on the go, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender is a solid choice. Next up, we've got the bamboo cutting board with containers. This thing is a game changer for meal prep. It's got a massive cutting surface, so you've got plenty of room to work with. No more cramming everything onto a tiny board. And check this out, it comes with built-in containers that fit snugly underneath. Chop your veggies, slide them into the containers, and boom, you're ready to store them in the fridge. No more searching for the right size Tupperware. Plus, it's made from eco-friendly bamboo, so you can feel good about your purchase. Now, this board is a bit bulky, so you'll need some decent storage space. And personally, I prefer glass containers to plastic. But overall, this bamboo cutting board with containers is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Finally, let's talk about the 6-in-1 automatic nut milk maker. This gadget is for all you health nuts out there. It lets you make your own nut milk at home, and it couldn't be easier. Soak your nuts overnight, rinse them off, toss them in the machine with some water, and press start. That's it. This baby does all the work for you. And the best part? It's not just a one-trick pony. This machine can also make soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, soups, and even porridge. Talk about versatile. Now, it's not perfect. The capacity is a bit small, so you won't be making gallons of nut milk at once. And the process does take some time, but trust me, the fresh, homemade taste is worth the wait. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious alternative to store-bought milk, this 6-in-1 automatic nut milk maker is a must-have. All 3 of these products bring convenience and functionality to the kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a meal prep enthusiast, or a fan of homemade nut milk, there's something here for you. Remember, having the right tools can elevate your cooking from amateur hour to Michelin star quality. These gadgets are a great place to start. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Link to these products are in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product review videos.